This is how I ended up meeting my favorite superstar, Ishow Speed, inside Harare, Zimbabwe. The journey was not easy, but let me take you through, guys, how I ended up meeting him and getting a swim picture live on his swim with over 90,000 people. Let's get into the vlog.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? This is your boy President That's Good Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, today is a crazy day. I know. Today we're gonna be humbled. We're on our way to get humbled. We only left it about 50 minutes, and today we're gonna be hunting speed here in Zimbabwe. Feel me? So if it's okay, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. If you don't know me, my name is Chris Makara, and I'm one of the YouTubers here in Zimbabwe. So if you're coming from another country, or if you're in Zimbabwe and you don't know me, I'm Prince Makara, and today we're gonna be hunting Ishow Speed because he is in Zimbabwe. Feel me? And his swim is starting in like 50 minutes. So let's go together, guys. We don't know if we're gonna be humbled. You know, South African YouTubers, they were humbled, and we are Zimbabwean YouTubers. We wanna see if we can be humbled by the boy. So yeah, let's go and see, man. And this video is gonna be full English. Even if I speak my show, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna try. You know, I'm not used to vlog in English, but yeah, let's see if it's gonna work. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. We only left with like 50 minutes. Let's go. Let's move. Let's move. So guys, we're supposed to take like an in-drive or Uber to go to town. We're assuming that we're gonna be starting this swim in town. So now we're on our way to town, CBD, like the central. We're assuming that it's gonna be in town. And if we take in-drive or Uber, you know, the e-hailing, our e-hailing, we got like many e-hailing platforms. Uber, we got boat and in-drive. If it used Uber, let me just say Uber for other people that don't know boat and in-drive. It's gonna take time because you know they'll be following those traffic rules and stuff. But if we take taxis or combis, you know, those commuter only buses, it's gonna like get us to the destination real quick, you know, because they don't stop and they don't follow the traffic. So we're gonna be using the taxi instead. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. About 50 minutes left. Let's go. So guys, I live in a young gated community, so yeah, this is our main gate. And we need some tape cards to go out. Shout out to you. W fun. Let's go. So guys, we got the text. There. This is my cameraman. Subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna put it on the screen here. This is the man who's gonna be behind the camera. Let's go.
To be honest with you guys, I don't know when last did I use the taxi, but today I had no option than to use a taxi. So I got into a taxi so that I will be able to get into the town as soon as possible.
So yeah guys, right now we are now in CBD. We are now in Harare CBD. So yeah, this stream is starting in 20 minutes and we're gonna be tracking him down. So you know, as you can see, we're out here in Harare CBD. Let's go, boy. So we're just waiting for him to start streaming because his stream is starting in 20 minutes time. So yeah, let's wait for him and see what's gonna happen. So guys, we're heading to join a seat and it's only 12 minutes left for the guy to swim, and now we're going to the central, like in the middle of the town, you know. So yeah, it's about 12 minutes left for him to swim. Let's go. We don't know if he's gonna be in town. We don't know, man, but wherever he's going, we're going to do Uber to follow him. We're gonna follow him today, like we're gonna check this guy till we find him. So right now we're going to join a seat and we're gonna wait for him on top of the bridge so that we'll be seeing whatever is happening here in town. And today there's traffic already, there's like a lot of cars already in the town. And I don't even know why. What about if he starts swimming? It's gonna be like a lot of showers in town. What is it? Chaos or chaos? Like chaos. Let's get it. Okay, chat. What's happening here, Genesis? They are constructing something there. Like a digital billboard, I don't know. But yeah, chat, now we're out here in a Genesis footbridge. Genesis footbridge right now. This is where this is the most famous building in Zimbabwe. Not gonna lie. Genesis. What's happening here? I thought it's him. But yeah, chat, let's go.
So there was traffic in town and it was stressing me out because I wasn't sure now if the boy was gonna use that route to come. I was just suspecting, like I don't even know what was making me so sure or what was making me suspect that the boy was going to come through near Joiner Seat, or the boy was going to come through anyway around Joiner Seat. So I was getting more and more stressed and I kept on waiting. I don't want to lie. I kept on waiting for about, like, 10-15 minutes, because the boy, he extended the time with about 15 minutes. He was late. He started his stream late, about 20 minutes later. He was supposed to start at 2 exactly, but he decided to start around 20 past 2, which was making me more, I was getting more stressed and more stressed. But I didn't give up because I really wanted to see Ishow Speed, and I had to wait. I had no any other option, but I had to wait for him to start his stream so that I will find where he is and, locate the place and then run to that place. Yo, guys, don't mind my English, but yeah, that's what was happening here.
Chat. We just find out where he is. We are busy checking his life, and he's a street. And there's a lot of traffic today. Yo, look, there's a lot of traffic today. We're gonna be following. Let's go. Suit wells. Let's go. Guys, we are checking his life. Suit wells. Let's go. Chat. Let's go. And but it's near, like, very under statue. And we're going to the chat. Let's go there. Let's go. Yeah, man. Hey. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, we got him. He's sitting there with him under there. We got him now. Wait a minute. He's there, Chad. He's there. So. Yeah, man. He's out there.
Now the plan was to go up there where he was standing with these giants, but this was not easy. It was going to be very hard because of his dangerous bodyguards. We had to find a plan to go up there and see how we're gonna go there. That was the very hardest part. So we had to negotiate with one of the securities and lie to them that we're part of the media of ZBC, blah blah blah. We need to go up there and make some videos. You know what I'm saying? And then one of the Zimbabwean giants permitted us to go up there. We ended up lying that we're shooting for Zimselevs. But when we got there, we were humbled by Speed giant. We were told that we are not allowed. We should go back. We were so embarrassed, but we go. Anyway, we move.
I told the guy not to let anybody here. How they come up? They come here. They have to go down. We gotta go down, everybody.
Okay. Can I please take this?
No, we gotta go down now. We have to let's get down. Everybody down.
Chat.
Everybody move down. Sorry, man.
Don't worry. Tumira pan.
Noted that.
Tumesimbonya ruko kwe. Ndaraba tenga panguma. Let's go. Speed. Yes. Zika. Kadang-kadang buru semua. Buru kasaman. Speed! Let's go. Let's go. I thought you were going to get a bit of Jaguar. Take us a Jaguar. Let's go, bro. No. Space. Andy. And I go Mamonya Mzimranga. V6, V5, V2. Mana kakak kau rumah? Di kamu? Mana? Oh ya! Cipayo! Sit. Mana? Ayo! Ya, mesti mana ni mah, boy. Ayo! Vamos ver as pedindo. Nós nego. Chamar. Ande mbono. Ande traffic. Definitely kwa loka ngani ba. Nanye. Nala ushaya. Nanye mzima net traffic tokwana jet. And next location Trabablas.
So we knew his next stop since we asked the Zimbabwean bodyguard. He was going to the Trababalas interchange, the one of the most beautiful interchanges in Zimbabwe. In fact, the first interchange here in Harare, Zimbabwe. So we had to get a car and follow him.
Yeah, this channel tonight. Go again. W fan.
W fan.
He's going to Sababalas, so we're gonna follow him to Sababalas, the most biggest interchange here in Zimbabwe. That's why we're gonna follow him right now. So we're trying to call his friend to go like a car. And then follow him in the chat.
Digitira mdara. Yeah man.
Let's go. How much money you have?
W fan.
Yes, guys. What's up, guys? Now we're going to Sababalas. Follow him to Sababalas. Guys, so now we're going to Sababalas. You wanna follow him? Any city and vlog for you. Where are we going? And this is cameraman. W. So guys, we are now at Sarabalas and we followed him. This is the most beautiful interchange here in Zimbabwe. So yeah, this is our beautiful road in Zimbabwe. Yeah, he's down there. That's where he is. At the street. Let's go straight. Or you should park on top because he's down there on this road. We out here, man. We out here. We finally found him. Finally find him. He's down there. Down there. You see all the police and stuff. All the police. He's down there. Here is he. Speed. Finally find him. Finally found him. Let's go. Yeah, what in Abu?
So now I saw Ishow Speed spinning on top of the truck and I was like, nah, this is my chance now. I should risk. Either I got bullied or I got beaten up by his giants. I'm just gonna risk for him, man. And I went so close and I knew he was going to I mean, what do you call it? Go down through this trailer. So I had to wait at the back of the trailer so that when he comes down, I was going to say, Speed, man, can I please have a shrimp pig? So what's called a shrimp pig is you pose for a picture during the live stream and then you take a screenshot later. Yeah, man, a win is a win. So I waited for him at the back of the trailer and then I got a shrimp pig. This is how I got it.
Shrimp pig. Alright, cool. Shrimp pig. Thank you. You got the shrimp pig, Dad! I went good now. I thought what happens one way. What did I say? So guys, that was the end. That was the end. W speed. W speed. Yo. What does it do in Zimbabwe? Come on. Taneta ngatidzokera. Ngatienda. Munamuziya speed. Apurisa atomboziya speed ndiana. Nah, first out the vlog. No! You got the swim pig! Yeah. I always wanted to do that. I always wanted to get the swim pig, bro. Because I always see people, they were asking for swim pigs and what. I was like, no, no time for pigs, swim pig. Swim pig. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Behind me, the Survivalers, and we can't keep on following him. We followed him from town to Survivalers. This is like 25 kilometers away. And I think it's enough. So what's happening right now is we found a go back home. And please make sure like, comment, share, and subscribe to make the channel for more content. If you have watched till this end, yeah, you really want me. WW, but I'm happy we got the shrimp pig. We got the shit. Anyway, thank you for all that support, guys. Tell me in the comment section if you enjoyed the vlog. Let's get it.